I think the camera is crooked. That or I'm crooked. Can't tell. Hey guys, welcome to Food Tales. I'm Bo, and today I'm thinking of having some hamburgers from McDonald's. I'm gonna see how many I can eat. So I've just been editing all day, and I don't know, I've been staring at the screen, and yeah, this is what I've been looking at, and I'm kind of hungry now. So let's get going. So I'm just walking now, and it's like 10 p.m. So it's really cold and dark. Okay, so we're finally here. The hamburger item only. Add to order. Thank you. Okay, so I got my order and the bag was so full it just ripped. So it's packed full of hamburgers and I'm heading home now. Okay guys, so we have our hamburgers here. I'm gonna count them. I didn't actually check them yet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna put them on a tray. Okay guys, so I unwrapped all 10 hamburgers just so you can see them, and I think I'm gonna start. So I've also got some extra sauces in case I need it, but I'll probably have the first one plain. So here we go. It's actually good. I think it needs more sauce. Yeah, I'll just put a little more sauce on. So much better. I forgot to time myself, hold on. Sorry. I'll add on the extra time when I edit. So I'm just having some Coke. Okay. Oh, I got extra pickles on my hamburger, so if you get hamburgers and you like pickles, I would suggest you add extra because it needs a little bit of
moisture in there because you don't have the cheese anymore. I'm going to try this with mayonnaise. So I'm just going to put on this part. I can't really taste the mayonnaise in there. I think the ketchup was better. Let me know if you guys do this challenge and what time you finish or how many you got through. Okay, I think this time I'll add extra mustard. So yeah, I decided to get this because McDonald's is having like a special and it's like $1 hamburgers, which is quite cheap in Australia because I think the cheeseburgers here are like $2.20 or something, or $2.50. So basically you're paying like double the price for like a slice of cheese. You know, which is fine if you enjoy cheese. But like, oh, I have cheese at home. I could just like put cheese on top if I wanted to. Okay, so this is my 4th burger. Mm. Oh no, I'm out of water. I'll get more after this. Okay, pause. I'm gonna get some water. Okay, I got my water. I'm gonna make like a stack, so I just eat it faster. Put some. Oh, is that the bottom one or top one? Okay. This one. Okay, let's keep going. Mm. Mm. It's super dry like this. Okay, I can do this. So it says on the website that one hamburger is 252 calories. So if I eat 10, that's over 2,500 calories. But that's not including like everything else that I'm like eating or drinking, like the extra sauce and stuff. Oh. Mm-mm. Just a little piece. This is actually getting hard. Okay, that's 6. Oh man. Okay. Oh God. Let's see. Okay. Number 7 and 8. Oh, I'm so full. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna open this up and hopefully it makes me feel better. I'm actually really full. But if I can get through 8 cheeseburgers, I'm happy. I mean, hamburgers. If I can get through 8 hamburgers, I'm happy. Oh man. So it's been over 20 minutes. I still haven't finished, oh my god. Okay, it's like 3 more bites, I think.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Okay, I'm gonna shove this all in.
You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so that was 8 hamburgers. I don't know if I can do 10. I mean, I can try, but it will probably take like another 10 minutes. I'm just gonna sit here for like 5 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, let's just keep going because I just want to get this over and done with. Okay. I feel so heavy right now. So I'm gonna add more sauce on. This started out so delicious and now I can't even look at a hamburger anymore. I feel so heavy, I can't really move. I don't even know if I can chew anymore. There we go. Oh, Jesus. It's fun, look at it. There you go. This is number 9 and 10. I got just bread. I'm so like, I've got sauce everywhere. I'm sorry, I can't really talk because I'm so full. I'm so full. I'm almost there. This is probably like one cheeseburger left. Oops. So, sorry, can't. Yeah. So it's like one cheeseburger left. So I can say I've had 9 so far, and I might make it to 10. I might not. Just like I might make it to tomorrow. I might not. So yeah, it's almost 40 minutes over since I started. I do not feel well. I'm gonna try and finish this. It's only a few more bites. Oh. This is so hard to do. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear it, but my breathing has got a lot louder. Okay. So this is the last mouthful. I don't know if I can put it in my mouth. I need a drink. I'm gonna have a drink. But I can't even put this hamburger down because my hand won't move. I need someone to feed me water. My hands are so dirty. Oh. Okay, let's try this again. Did this hamburger grow? Because it looks like it just grew. It looks bigger now. Maybe if I just eat it in single hamburger pieces, it might not be so bad. Oh, there goes the wrapper. Maybe if I do this, it's not so bad, huh? Okay, let's do this. I can't see anymore, but I'm pretty sure these are the last pieces of hamburger in this room, so I'm gonna eat them. I'm sorry, I can't see. I think something's funny. Something's happened to my body, and I just know that if I eat these hamburger pieces, it will be okay. Except I can't eat them. I really can't put them in my mouth. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not so bad. Let's just... Okay, this is truly the last probably awful. Why didn't I get tissues? Ugh, I can't even look at it. It's okay. It's okay. You can get a sip after you eat. Although you probably won't want to get a sip because you'll feel like a fat piece of shit. Mmm. 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 Duh. Okay, stop. Well, my phone says 42 minutes, but I know it took like a few minutes longer because I didn't start the timer. Under an hour. 10 cheeseburgers. 10 hamburgers, sorry. I need some tissues. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Sorry about speaking really slow. Can't breathe properly. But yeah, completed this challenge. It took under an hour. It took under an hour for me to finish 10 hamburgers. It was a lot harder than I thought for some reason. I actually thought I could do this like maybe in half an hour, but I was wrong. Yeah, let me know if you try this out, how far you got, what time you got. I think the camera's crooked. That or I'm crooked. Can't tell. I need to clean this up, but can't move. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out our other videos or our Instagram. I'll link it probably on this side, maybe this side, depending on how I feel. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching.